Welcome back. We have a new video today. Today we're going to be discussing the quick selector tool on Photoshop. So first we're going to actually have our Photoshop open with the image opened up. If you don't know how, ask and we'll actually show you how to import photos. Here's our test photo. So we're going to go ahead and start using the quick selector tool. First we grab the quick selector tool. It'll be on the fourth one to the bottom. As you can see right here, the quick selector tool. So let's make our brush just a tad bit bigger on the top left. Make sure we have the selector tool selected and make sure that we're selected on the right layer. Make sure we're selected on the image layer, not the background layer, because the background layer you won't be able to make changes. Go ahead and get started. We start selecting around the shirt area. Yes, it might extend a little bit like that, unfortunately. You click option and then you just click around the shirt. As you'll be able to see, it'll highlight around it, removing everything. If it removes you a little bit, that's fine. We'll get back to it. So we'll go and start selecting yourself. See how we're selecting fingers. And also, if you want to select or deselect, post the shortcuts on the screen so you can be able to see shortcuts for Windows and Mac on how to do it. For Mac, we just hold the option. If you want to add more, if you want to deselect, it'll turn into a minus and it'll remove. If you want to add, click on it. As you can see here, let's clear up a little bit of the images on the fingers. Let's go ahead and make the brush a tad bit smaller, so we can actually get more in depth into it. Don't want to go too depth. If you want to catch this side here, you can if you feel like it should, but then you'll start running into issues. This is the bad part about using this quick selector tool. It's not too defined. Pretty much got our fingers defined. We follow the outline. Do we need to remove this? Yes, we do here. We have a lot of stuff in here we don't need. Okay, we pretty much cleared it up. So let's get back, zoom in more because we need that little part of that finger. We want to try to make this as realistic as possible. So we follow it. We capture. You see how we captured a little bit of light here. Go ahead and remove this area. So we follow the shirt. You don't have to capture the whole shirt as long as it's not too obscured. We'll cut around the glasses. We gotta come back down here and reshape it, unfortunately. There we go. So let's go around the hair. We can remove this piece. Move that piece too. Cut around it. Did a pretty good job here. Around the ear. Add another piece of the ear if we need to. Make it perfectly shaped. See how it uncropped? It didn't crop every piece of the shirt, so let's go ahead and crop that in by adding it. So it's perfectly shaped. So now that's how you use the quick selector tool. Here I'm gonna just do. You got different options, guys. So you could actually crop it. You could actually you could duplicate it. You could crop it. You could mask it. You could do all that stuff. We'll go ahead and do that real quick. We'll go ahead and export it out, and you see how much of a clear image that we have. And you see if you missed a part right here in the bottom corner on the finger, you could just do Control Z to undo it. So let's go back to our size and let's add our finger back. is how you verify all that. Yes, we might miss things, but you could undo it. That's the good part. We'll just go ahead and do Control J to cut it out, and that's pretty much image is cropped out. Image is cropped out. That's how you pretty much use the quick selector tool. If you want to put a background, you can to make it pop more. Okay guys, I just imported a background, so let me show you how it looks using the background. There you go guys, you see that right there? That is okay. There you go guys, you see that? That's how it would look if you were to use the quick selector tool to make it simple, fast, easy. And if you need to do it fast and you don't need to waste time and click, circle, and do all that crazy stuff, instead of using the eraser, do it all the way around. You don't need to do that. This is the fastest way you could do it. So if you like this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up. If you want to hear any types of videos, any other types of videos or content you want me to create, comment down below. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace out, peeps.